Okay, this is assignment number 2 for Mr. Darcy. That's due this Friday, May 8th. So I will read it. On your screen, you can see some sentence starters for the answers. There's 3 questions to this assignment. So let's read it. You can follow along with me as I read aloud. The excerpt below comes from a speech made by Ohio Senator Thomas Corwin in the Senate in 1847. It expresses his views about the Mexican War. Read the excerpt from Corwin's speech, then answer the questions that follow to determine which statements are facts and which are opinions. Again, a fact is something that is true and you can have evidence for it. You can back it up. An opinion is something that you believe or you think it could be true, but it's more your beliefs. There is one topic connected with this subject which I tremble when I approach. It meets you in every step you take. It threatens you which way soever you go in the fighting of this war. Opposition to slavery's further extension, it must be obvious to everyone, is a deeply rooted determination with men of all parties in what we call the non-slaveholding states. How is it in the South? I believe that there is equal stubbornness on both sides of this fearful question. Should we prosecute this war another moment, or expend $1 in the purchase or conquest of a single acre of Mexican land? The North and the South are brought into collision at a point where neither will yield. That's the end of that excerpt. I will discuss these questions in a Zoom meeting if you choose to attend this week. We can go over the answers because I know this is a difficult assignment. So if you attend the Zoom meeting, we can talk about the answers and go over these so that you can have your social studies done. Okay? Talk to you guys later.